If programming languages were anime characters? Part 2. PHP is the chaotic good rogue of the coding world. Scrappy, street smart, and always finding a way to get things done, even if it's not pretty. He's been around forever, patched up with every tool imaginable, but still shows up to every battle with surprising effectiveness. Often underestimated, he thrives in the messy world of web development, juggling legacy scrolls and modern spells with a grin. He might be the uncle of the crew, but he's got tricks no one else dares to try. Rust is the stoic swordsman with a sharp eye and even sharper blade. A perfectionist who never lets a bug escape. Clad in sleek armor forged for safety and speed, he speaks with precision and lives by the code. No memory left behind, though serious and sometimes intimidating. He secretly wants to be friends with everyone. He just insists they follow his rules first. His catchphrase, "If it compiles, it flies." C is the wise old mentor of the programming world. Calm, stoic, and battle-tested. With decades of experience, he's seen it all and still writes code faster than any hotshot new language. His power lies in precision and control, but he demands discipline. One wrong pointer and you're done. Always sipping coffee in a dimly lit lab. He teaches the young ones that true power comes from understanding the machine itself. Scala is the stylish sorcerer with dual powers. Part functional wizard, part object-oriented warrior, cloaked in sleek abstraction and cryptic syntax. She casts elegant spells only the truly initiated can understand. She's powerful, elegant, and a bit moody. Loved by intellectuals, feared by beginners. Her favorite pastime, debating with Java and showing off her type system like it's ancient magic. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And hey, if you want to see more awesome content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, code smart, stay curious, and keep leveling up. See ya!